Hey guys, what I have here is a John Deere 50C. Here's the left side track. If you're sitting on the machine, it's probably about 80% life left with some scratches and nicks, as you can see here. Here's the sprocket on the left side, your final drive. Everything's in good operating condition. Underneath the track, top roller, front idler. The sheet metal is not in the best condition. It's good and straight, but there's some scratches, as you can see, on the paint. Some of this is chipped up on the plastic and whatnot, as you can see here. Sheet metal is pretty good on the back. Up underneath the machine. Left side, inside. Right side, inside. Here's the engine. There's one around the right side, as you can see, the sheet metal. This piece is yellow. Scratches here, as you can see, and everything. The right side track is about 80% life left. As you can see here, it has scratches and whatnot in it too, though. Right side sprocket, up underneath. Top roller, front idler. Here's the serial number plate. Serial number is 241286. Here's the hydraulic blade. It's all in very good condition, no welds or anything. It's got the shield.